What is the situation now? Well, you have a dozen of brilliant PhD students selected worldwide, and they will study and carry out research in 4 different universities, thanks to the generous employment contract, more than €2,000 a month, not net before tax, I must have said that, which was made possible thanks to the Education and Culture branch of the European Commission. Second point, you have more than 100 renowned professors across the world waiting for you, and they are already engaged, as you know, in interzones-related scientific collaboration, but also in following up your research. You know that the academic research projects that you've reworked on are now being sent to everywhere in the consortium. 3, there are 16 partner institutions on 4 different continents, and who for the past 18 months have fought hard with the national and internal structures to make it real. It's not easy to fathom the amount of energy to implement such a doctoral program in 16 different educational contexts, which all have their own protocols and legislation. Now, the 4th point is, of course, there is a series of groundbreaking tools and protocols to make true global academics of you all. And these new tools, they are very important. One is a co-supervision mechanism, which is very special. It's totally new because you have several supervisors. So here in Bergamo, myself, helped with Elena, and a supervision expert, for the moment it's Professor Hotz in Tübingen, but it will probably change soon, so you will probably have somebody else, so that you can always follow up what you've been to and what is, if there is a link between your various professors from one university to another. Second, there is a constant feedback on your research, as you already realized, during the summer. You have to provide new feedback, new projects, new arguments. We are not doing this just to make your life more complicated. It's just to get the maximum out of you so that when you meet new professors somewhere, they know who you are beforehand. That's very important. 3, you probably were told about this. There is an e-platform on the website, on the Interzone's website. Brendan Walkie, who is the tutor, or he's written the tutorial for that, will be in touch with you, or has been already in touch with you, how to use these e-platform. It's very important because you can find lots of things in it. You can find information, and as you will go along in your studies and you amass documents with your supervisors, you can find everything there. So you have a password, you write to Brendan Walkie, you say, I want a password, if you don't have it already, I want my password for the e-learning program, and then you'll see there are plenty of things. You have documents, you have announcement things, so that's very important.